The vision for EEDS was to come up with a cross-disciplinary program that would incorporate multiple different perspectives from different disciplines, for example, economics, sociology, and marry that with topics of environment and sustainability.
So we're living in an age where we're facing large environmental problems which are critical and need, serious solutions at local, regional, and global scale.
Global climate change, or of desertification of land, or of water scarcity and problems with harmful algal blooms right here in our own backyard with Lake Erie. All these things are problems that are so multidimensional and so complex that we know that economics alone can't solve those issues.
It becomes necessary to be able to combine insights, tools, and methods from a variety of disciplines and fields.
I think it's a very relevant major for the times, but if you don't understand how different communities experience or interact with the economy, then you will not get the policies or the social movements that you want to see.
The EEDS major has kind of given me a little piece of how business works and how the sustainability piece plays into it. I've kind of used all that to launch Composted, the company that I started to tackle the issue of residential food waste in the central Ohio area.
I'm focused on international development, sustainable food systems, food access. I've worked with Dr. Rowe. We started a composting program through the Sustained Learning community, implemented composting in dormitories, several dorms on North Campus. We are able to collect and divert over just shy of 400 pounds of waste in a semester. It's been really great to actually feel like I'm having an impact on something so soon.
I took a cost-benefit class last semester that was really challenging, but really fun, and it really taught me a lot about how to look at the different values that go into a system, not just the economic values, but how does this benefit the people? How does this benefit society as a whole? And really taking that look for a project instead of just a purely money look at a project.
Makes them prepared to be able to conduct analyses.
We have project-based learning in some of our classes. So for example, in the business sustainability class, students do project-based activities. They actually consult with a private company to do some sustainability analysis. In some of the other classes, they're working with data to develop sustainability metrics. And then they're developing an understanding for how, not just how you develop those, but how you interpret them and how you use them to guide decision making.
And a lot of that is in their quantitative skills, their ability to understand how communities work, how systems work, and how to assign value to natural resources.
And ensuring that businesses are doing well, not just for the individuals involved in the business, but doing well for the planet, doing well for the community, and providing good outcomes for as many people as possible.
It has to do with the re-innovation or progress, which is thinking about where one stands, thinking about where one is going, and making sure that all decisions are made for the future, not the past, and that we're constantly evolving, constantly looking ahead, and making sure we evolve from where we are and don't make some of the mistakes we've made in the past.
I think some of the best EEDS majors that we see are inherently problem solvers. They are willing to work hard, they're willing to be creative because they want to do what it takes to solve problems that they see in their world. And they can see that in their own backyards or in their own communities where they're from or where they live now, or they could see it from a global perspective.
I would say a majority of what I've learned and how I've decided where I want to go in sustainability has been through my internships. So I definitely recommend that students try to do as many different things as possible. Not only because they've taught me a lot about sustainability, but I think they help you understand what you don't want to do, which is really valuable before you commit to a career path after college.
So we've been sending anywhere from 1 to 4 students to work with the City of Columbus Office of Environmental Stewardship. And it's a paid internship, and they're there for 12 weeks, and they are exposed to a lot there because it's a small staff and there's a lot of work that needs to be done.
So really what students do coming out of this major is so diverse, and it really just I guess the students in our program are a microcosm of, I think, what's going on in terms of larger issues in society that need to be addressed or large complex problems. They have the skill set that spans kind of the gamut within the social science arena to go out there and really tackle some of these challenges and bring a variety of different perspectives and skill sets to the table very comprehensively.
It's taken me more places than I could ever imagine. This semester my internship is working with Ohio State, and part of my duties are with the Women's Final Four is going to be in Columbus, and we're making it a sustainably certified event.
You know, whether you believe in environmentalism or not, it's you know, it's a real dollars and cents kind of initiative for any kind of group, whether you're a corporation, nonprofit, anything like that. If you implement sustainability into your operations, then you're most likely going to save money, whether that's renewable energies or waste streams.
Any student that is interested and passionate about thinking and caring about the environmental issues that we face and want to do something, be a change maker, I think would be the ideal kind of student in this program. And that is exactly what we're seeing.